Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see what devices are logged into your Amazon account. This is really useful for keeping track of your account security and making sure no unauthorized devices have access to your information. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can start managing your account settings. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, you'll need to scroll down through the different sections available. Keep scrolling until you locate the section titled Digital Content and Devices. This section contains all the settings related to your digital purchases, subscriptions, and connected devices. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Devices. Click on it to proceed. After clicking on Devices, you'll be redirected to a new page that displays all the devices currently registered to your Amazon account. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list under Your Registered Devices. This list shows every device that's logged into or connected to your account, including tablets, phones, Kindle devices, Fire TV sticks, and any other Amazon products you've used. Take a moment to review this list carefully. You can check the device names, types, and when they were last active. If you notice any unfamiliar devices on this list, you can take immediate action to remove them, ensuring your account remains secure. This feature gives you complete visibility and control over your account's accessibility across different devices. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly check which devices are logged into your Amazon account, helping you maintain better security and account management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.